In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry text fonts in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button, then type Clear Type in the search bar. Open the Clear Type text tuner from the results. Once it opens, make sure the option to turn on Clear Type is checked, then click Next to continue. You'll now go through a short setup process. Follow the 5-step wizard by selecting the text samples that look the sharpest to your eyes. And this step is important because it adjusts how text appears based on your specific screen. Take your time and pick the clearest option in each step. Once you're done, click Finish to apply the new font settings. If the text still looks blurry, don't worry, let's continue. Next, go to your desktop, right-click on an empty space, and select Display Settings. If you're using multiple monitors, you'll see them displayed at the top. Click Identify so you can tell which screen is which, then select the monitor you want to adjust. If you're only using one monitor, you can go straight to the next step. Scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. Make sure the scale is set to the recommended percentage, which is usually 100% or 125% depending on your display. Then check the display resolution and ensure it's also set to the recommended value. These recommended settings match your monitor's native resolution and help keep text sharp and clear. If the text is still not looking right, click the search icon again and type Adjust the Appearance and Performance, then press Enter. This will open the Performance Options window. Under the Visual Effects tab, select Adjust for Best Appearance. This enables all visual enhancements that improve how text and graphics are displayed. Before closing, make sure the option Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts is checked, then click Apply and OK to save your changes. Finally, restart your computer. This helps refresh the system and fully apply all the changes you've made. Once your system boots back up, your text should now appear much sharper and easier to read, making your overall experience smoother and more comfortable. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.